What is computer architecture? A beginner's guide to CPU design. Have you ever wondered what makes your computer actually work beyond the screen and keyboard? Computer architecture is the blueprint behind every computing device. It defines how a computer's components interact and perform tasks, from simple calculations to powering advanced AI models. If you want to understand how computers really work, diving into CPU design is the perfect place to start. At its core, computer architecture is the science and art of selecting and interconnecting hardware components to create a functional computing system. It encompasses the design of the CPU's central processing unit, memory hierarchy, data pathways, and input-output systems. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer, but it's more accurate to call it the decision maker, fetching, decoding, and executing instructions at breathtaking speeds. A modern CPU is built on a foundation of three key components: the arithmetic logic unit ALU, which handles math and logic operations, the control unit, which directs the operation of the processor, and registers, which temporarily store data being used. These units work in harmony to process the thousands or millions of instructions per second that run your apps, load your browser, and respond to your commands. Instruction sets like x86 or ARM define how the processor understands and executes commands. Some architectures are complex CISC, allowing for rich instruction sets, while others are streamlined for efficiency. The choice of architecture impacts performance, energy consumption, and how software is written for the device. Memory design is also vital. Cache memory bridges the speed gap between the CPU and slower main memory RAM, enabling faster data access. Meanwhile, the bus system moves data between components. The overall architecture balances speed, cost, and power to meet different use cases, from mobile phones to supercomputers. Understanding computer architecture isn't just for engineers. It's essential for anyone interested in building systems, optimizing performance, or working in software development. The more you know about how a computer is built, the more power you have to innovate, troubleshoot, and push technology forward. Curious about what kind of architecture your computer uses and how it affects your everyday performance? Let us know your experience and questions in the comments.